The Amazon River is the largest river by discharge volume of water in the world and is also one of the longest rivers. Here are some key points of information about the Amazon River. 1. Location. The Amazon River is located in South America, flowing through various countries including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Ecuador, Venezuela, and Bolivia. The majority of the river basin lies within Brazil. 2. Length. The Amazon River has a total length of approximately 6,400 kilometers, 4,000 miles. It begins in the Andes Mountains of Peru and flows eastward to the Atlantic Ocean. 3. Drainage basin. The Amazon River basin covers an area of about 7,050,000 square kilometers, 2,720,000 square miles, making it the largest drainage basin in the world. It spans across multiple countries, encompassing vast rainforests, savannas, and other ecosystems. 4. Discharge and tributaries. The average discharge of the Amazon River is approximately 209,000 cubic meters per second, 7,381,000 cubic feet per second. The river is fed by numerous tributaries, with some of the major ones being the Negro, Madeira, Purus, Juruá, and Ucayali River. 5. Biodiversity. The Amazon River and its surrounding rainforest are renowned for their exceptional biodiversity. The region is home to a staggering array of plant and animal species, many of which are unique to the area. It is estimated that the Amazon rainforest contains around 40,000 plant species, over 400 mammal species, and over 1,300 bird species. 6. Importance. The Amazon River plays a crucial role in the global ecosystem. The river and its basin provide habitat for countless species, regulate the climate, and help maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. It is also an essential source of water, food, and transportation for the people living in the region. 7. Challenges and threats. The Amazon River and its surrounding rainforest face numerous challenges and threats. Deforestation, primarily driven by agriculture, logging, and mining activities, poses a significant risk to the region's biodiversity and ecological stability. Climate change, pollution, and unsustainable development practices also impact the river and its ecosystem. 8. Indigenous communities. The Amazon River basin is home to numerous indigenous communities, some of whom have inhabited the region for thousands of years. These communities have a deep cultural and spiritual connection to the river and rely on its resources for their livelihoods. 9. River navigation. The Amazon River is an important waterway for transportation. It serves as a crucial route for cargo ships, passenger boats, and local communities, particularly in areas where road infrastructure is limited. 10. Tourism. The Amazon River and rainforest attract a significant number of tourists each year. Visitors can experience the incredible biodiversity, explore the river's tributaries by boat, engage in wildlife spotting, and learn about the indigenous cultures that call the region home. The Amazon River is truly a natural wonder, both in terms of its size and ecological importance. It continues to captivate researchers, conservationists, and adventurers alike, offering a glimpse into the diverse and complex ecosystems of our planet.